If someone breaks into your Wi-Fi, they don't just get free internet. They can see your traffic, access your devices, and even steal passwords. Most routers still use default passwords, outdated encryption, or open guest networks, making them an easy target. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check if your Wi-Fi is secure, fix the common settings that leave it vulnerable, lock it down so no one else can spy on you. Let's start by testing if your home network is already exposed. Step 1 is to check your current setup. Go to a connected device and open a browser. Type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. If you're not sure, check the sticker on the back of your router. Log in using the admin credentials. If your login still uses something like admin, password, or is printed on the router label unchanged, your network is already vulnerable. Anyone who connects could also log into your router's control panel. We'll fix that in the next step. Every router comes with a default username and password, and they're publicly listed online. Hackers can easily find these lists. They just need your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, to know which router you own. Action: change your admin username and password immediately. Use at least 12 or 16 characters with numbers and symbols. Store it in a password manager. 1Password, Bitwarden, Proton Pass. Now only you can access the router's control panel. Firmware equals your router's operating system. Old firmware often contains security vulnerabilities. Inside your router's menu, look for Firmware Update or check for updates. If it's outdated, update it right away. Tip: some routers can auto-update. If your model supports that, enable it. Otherwise, set a reminder to check every few months. Go to your router's wireless settings and check what encryption type you're using. If it says WWEP or WPA, that's obsolete. Switch to WPA2 PSK, AES, or WPA3 if available. WPA3 is the newest and most secure standard. It fixes several weaknesses from older protocols. Then, create a new Wi-Fi password. Strong, random, and unique. Avoid anything like your name, address, or phone number. Your Wi-Fi name, SSID, can reveal your router model or provider, which helps attackers target you. Change your SSID to something non-identifiable. Avoid names like BT Hub 1234 or Virgin Media Home. Use something neutral like My Network 5G or Home Office Net. Optionally, you can disable SSID broadcast so your network doesn't appear to everyone nearby. Just remember, you'll have to manually connect new devices. Smart home devices, cameras, doorbells, TVs, thermostats are frequent attack targets. If one of them is compromised, hackers can move from it to your main devices. Solution: create a guest network or IoT network inside your router settings. Put all smart devices there. Keep your personal devices, phones, laptops on the main Wi-Fi. Disable Allow guest access to local network. This isolates unsafe devices so they can't see or communicate with your main system. 2 common router settings to disable. WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It allows one-button connections but can be exploited by brute force attacks. Remote Management lets you log into your router from outside your home, which also lets hackers try. Both features sound convenient but dramatically weaken security. Turn them off completely. If you want advanced protection, use a VPN router to encrypt all traffic automatically. Enable MAC address filtering so only specific devices can connect. Monitor connected devices monthly to spot intruders early. In your router interface, look under Connected Devices or Device List. If you see something unfamiliar, kick it off immediately and change your Wi-Fi password again. Your home Wi-Fi is the entry point to your digital life. Lock it down the same way you'd lock your front door. Quick recap: change router admin credentials, update firmware, use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, rename your SSID split guest/IoT devices, disable WPS and remote access, review connections monthly. It takes 10 minutes, but it closes the door on most attacks permanently. For more simple cybersecurity guides, subscribe and check out my next video, What to Do If You Click a Phishing Link.